Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are talking about the recap of the reunion of the show Nganele. You guys, we're gonna be specifically focusing on Untombi and Untlanhla. Ayo, guys, this is a lot. This is a lot, guys, and we came to the realization Untombi actually dropped a bomb, you guys, at the reunion that Untlanhla and her are no longer together. They have broken up, you guys, and she says that already it has been 5 months. They've been broken up for 5 months. Ugel did not even see a need or feel the need of telling anyone which she's no longer with Untlanhla. She broke up, or they broke up in Untlanhla, and she kept quiet and she decided to throw the bomb at the reunion. So anyway, while she's saying they're no longer together, Untlanhla, oh guys, wait, let me just pause there. Let me just pause them. You know what I've noticed about these shows, you guys, what they do, especially for reunion, they will provide alcohol and food for the cast members, especially alcohol, so that by the time the shooting actually starts, these people are drunk. They are drunk and they're going to be bringing the drama. You guys, if you saw how Untlanhla was so drunk, he was so drunk, you guys, he could not even speak properly. He could not. There was a part where, like, he even walked off stage, called Usho Numganake. They were both drunk. Hi, guys. And I'm like, these shows need to stop because I've noticed they're not the only show that actually does this. There's many shows they do that, you guys. They give them alcohol so that they know when people are intoxicated, they're going to bring the drama. So, Untlanhla nje, guys, he was so drunk, and the way just to see him in that state, it made my heart so painful, you guys, because his uncle, Umalume Alaseko, and I feel like if his uncle was there, oh, guys, we'll get to that. So anyway, Untombi drops the bomb that they're no longer together, and Untlanhla basically denies that and says that basically he does not know what she's talking about. And Untombi says no, he actually does know what he's talking about because he's the one who actually told her. He's the one. Untlanhla is actually the one who broke up with her. She says Untlanhla told her ukuthi angisakufuni, I don't want you anymore. And she said she asked him the whole weekend ukuthi hayibo Nhlanhla, like, are you sure about this whole thing? She asked him the whole weekend, and the whole weekend he basically says he does not want to be with her. And she says ukuthi she told him hayibo, like, indoda ayihlukani nomuntu wesifazane, like, as a man you don't break up with a woman. And Untlanhla replied and said la suka khona, wherever he's from, men do that, men dump women, and that's basically it. Untombi goes on to say that Untlanhla even sent her a screenshot of a message from his girlfriend. So guys, not only are they broken up, Untlanhla cheated on Untombi, basically told Untombi where to get off, told Untombi he doesn't want her, sent her the screenshot. He sent her a screenshot from his girlfriend, and the girlfriend was basically saying, Nyaktanda, baby, I love you, baby. So he sent that screenshot to Untombi, maybe to basically show Untombi ukuthi userious ngale ndaba ukuthi akasamfuni. Yo, guys, Untombi goes on to say ukuthi Untlanhla phela has her name. Untombi has a phone and she borrowed that phone to Untlanhla. So Untlanhla's using that phone. And because he has a new girlfriend, he saved her numbers as Uncle Guluza. Hey, guys, abafana, the boys, when men get new women in their lives, guys, ingathi, like, they turn out to be people ingathi abasile khanda ingathi akekho right. I'm sure Untombi was not believing any of this because, guys, this couple has been through so much. Untombi has been through so much. Not only Untombi, even Untlanhla has been through so much. So I am disappointed, and angiyizwa kahle ukuthi, like, what really is the reason of them breaking up. Someone said ukuthi kunesandla semfene somewhere, because hi guys, ayizwakali le ndaba yakhona ukuthi out of the blue, whereas these people have been, yo. Anyway, that time, Untombi Mega Kuluma, all of this, Unkandla is sitting there, smiling and folding his arms. Smiling, you guys, and it is pap drunk. Smiling at whatever Untombi is saying. And then get the host. The host is Ulathorno, phenomenal host. What I love about Ulathorno, she doesn't take sides. She's neutral and she really asks the necessary questions that we really want to know as the audience, as the people who have been watching the show. So she moves on to Untombi's mother, and something that Untombi's mother said that just made me so disappointed in Untombi. So anyway, Untombi's mother said that when she came to this reunion show, she could sense ukuthi hayi man, something's not right. She could sense that something's not right between Untombi and Unkandla. And she says that but Untombi basically hasn't been like, whenever she talks to Untombi doesn't even look at her in her face, like Untombi doesn't care about her. And she feels like now Untombi is like blaming her and putting her in that she's involved in this whole mess kanhlanhla. And I'm just like, why? That's the thing that's irritating me. Untombi, she's the one who put her mother in this whole nonsense. Why is Untombi behaving like that towards her own mother? Because they even asked Indaba yokuthi Untombi bekathuleleni. The Mthembu family was asking ukuthi Untombi bekathuleleni that her and Unhlanhla broke up, because they say they have been asking Unhlanhla ukuthi hayibo uphi Untombi wayengasavakashi, and he did not tell them the truth. So they were asking, why did Untombi not tell them that Unhlanhla was doing this and whatnot? Why did she not tell Umaskay? Remember, guys, Umaskay in this season, she really has been trying for Untombi. And Umaskay is asking Mutilak, why did you not come back to me? And Untombi is basically saying the reason why she did not tell Umaskay about, the breakup was because previously, whenever she used to have a fight with Unhlanhla, she would tell Umaskay, and Umaskay would basically always take Unhlanhla's side, and she felt like she's no longer gonna tell Umaskay indaba zakhe because Umaskay is never on her side. But Untombi's mother said ukuthi Untombi said to her ukuthi Umaskay is more of a mother to her than she is. So I'm thinking to myself, like, Untombi, you drag your mother into this whole mess and you expect your mother to behave in ways that you want her to. And because she's not behaving in the ways you want her to, because maybe she went to that meeting she went to that lunch that the Mthembu family held. I don't know, is she angry at that? She Untombi said to her own mother, Umaskay is more of a mother to me than you. And now, like, Untombi, guys know, Untombi, like, somehow, yes, there's things that I feel sorry for her, but somehow I'm like, she's a bully. Like, why is she treating her mother like that? Umawakungena, because she dragged her mother. For her mother to even be on this reunion with ingane yakhe, for her mother to even like accept certain things when ingane yakhe, and now all of a sudden, like, Untombi is coming to act funny towards her mother. For what? For what? That I did not like and I did not appreciate, and I felt like Untombi is full of herself. That's the first part. Number two, I feel like Untombi could have at least said, because at the end, Untombi basically thanked the Mthembu family and she said, Mina, I am at peace and ngiyabonga to the family, the Mthembu family, uthi they never accepted me. And I'm like, that is kind of unfair because Umaskay did try to make things right. I feel like she at least owed this. Maybe Umaskay did not do things in the perfect way, and that's that. But I feel like she should have at least owed them, at least Umaskay, a genuine thank you, because it did seem like Umaskay was having a change of heart, Chuka. So I don't feel like it's fair for Untombi to throw Umaskay and her mother underneath the bus. That was not fair. And then Untombi's mother does say ukuthi she's disappointed in Unhlanhla's actions. She's saying that she feels like Unhlanhla should have broke things off with her daughter in a much more better way, not in a harsh way and in a cruel way than in the way that he did. And she says that she really loved Unhlanhla. Remember, guys, Unhlanhla basically, Ntombi's mother taught Unhlanhla. Ntombi's mother was Unhlanhla's teacher. So she said she's disappointed in the way Unhlanhla did things. And she said that the moment she found out ukuthi umalume akasekho, she knew ukuthi indaba yantombi noNhlanhla iphelile, because she feels like umalume was the one who was guiding Unhlanhla when it comes to manhood and how to do things. So she knew that when umalume passed away, Nhlanhla and Ntombi's relationship would fall off. And she says, quite frankly, she feels like there's no honor that's going to be left on Unhlanhla now that umalume engasekho. Quite frankly, she feels like kuphelile ngoNhlanhla now that umalume engasekho. Now, guys, I don't know ukuthi kuphelile ngoNhlanhla, because at the end of the day, God is the one who has the final say and gets to change people. But I feel like Ntombi's mother does have a point, you guys. That's why I'm saying, even seeing Unhlanhla at that state, it broke my heart, because I feel like the two people that really had good intentions towards Unhlanhla are no longer in Nhlanhla's life. Number one, umalume really had good intentions towards Unhlanhla, akasekho. Number two, Untombi really had good intentions. Untombi tried to build Unhlanhla. And he has basically shut out Untombi. So I feel sorry for him, because even the state that he was in, the way he was drunk, for me, I felt like it was already showing Uti his life is just deteriorating. What's the word? His life is just gonna go down now that Bengaseko, these two people. And I feel sorry for him, because I feel sorry for him, you guys. So indaba kaNhlanhla, it's sad. It really is sad. So yeah, and then ugogo basically says ukuthi she disagrees with what uMarantombi is saying regarding umalume guiding Unhlanhla. She says ukuthi there was no guidance that was going on between them. Umalume would take Unhlanhla, then they would make this talk alone, make decisions, and then bebuye that come back to her sebesithi ukuthi like that, make their decisions and come and tell her. And I'm like, ugogo ukhohlakele, like ugogo ukhohlakele. Imagine umalume with all the work that he has done. In fact, the one reason why Unhlanhla is even still there in that family, it's because of umalume. Is it not umalume who was trying to make Unhlanhla understand of why they kept those whole secrets from him? It was umalume. So for ugogo to not even give umalume that little credit that he played such a fundamental role in Nhlanhla's life, I'm just like, no. So yeah, and then ugogo was basically saying that she is not against, she's not trying to control Nhlanhla's life or trying to make him choose. She says ukuthi she feels like Unhlanhla should have done things the right way. The reason why she was angry at that lost dinner was because ukhulise ingane, and then this child, Jiggy, like tells her estradeni basically, because they're out in a restaurant, that they want to go and sign a home affairs. She feels like that's not the way things should be done. We're seen to, as a child, you're supposed to speak to the elders and tell them your plans. Not only that, she says that basically Unhlanhla was supposed to do things in the right way, and that's what she's fighting against. And she says that Unhlanhla needs to remember that he's got two wives. She says that he needs to remember that he's got two wives and she is the first wife, and he feels that Unhlanhla was supposed to come back to her ambigele, which is what's going on in his life and whatnot. And that's the thing that makes her, that's the thing basically that's making her fight. And then uLathong athi hayi mina gogo ngiyabuza kusho ukuthi unesikhwele. as the grandmother. And I feel like that's basically it. Ugogo should just say, uneskwele that untombi came along, and yeah, that she felt like she maybe thought Unhlanhla was. But the thing that I don't get about Ugogo, that I feel like she's so cruel, she keeps saying umakanhlanhla, which is Nhlanhla's real mother's sister. She keeps saying that's the mother. But when she's talking about Nhlanhla, she's like, there's two women, there's her and Untombi. So where does Nhlanhla fit in? So she puts Nhlanhla when it seems convenient for her, but kahle kahle, she doesn't even give Nhlanhla indawo yakhe in Nhlanhla's life. Yo, guys, anyway, a lot of people on Twitter, on the X streets, had so much to say about this, and they quite frankly feel like Ugogo did her things. But Ugogo did her things, and Gogo has finally won. In all honesty, I did not see Untombi lasting forever in this relationship, because Untombi did say, guys, this war ailwayo in this marriage is a spiritual war. And there's no way she's gonna stand a spiritual war one man. Guys, spiritual war, you need to be prayed up, and I don't know if Untombi is the type of girl or if she's prayed up like that, but it could be that it was too much for her, because nalana, like, you have to fight izinto zakho, then fight izinto zasemzini, then fight ugogo, then fight yebo, uningi, guys. So I did eventually feel like Untombi, this is gonna weigh too much on her, but it's sad that it has come to this, and it's sad that it ended the way it ended. Lakomo asks Untombi a question, and she says, do you feel like Nhlanhla loves you? Do you think he loves you? And Untombi answers and says, no, I don't feel like he loves me. He said so himself. Apparently, Nhlanhla said it is all for TV. Basically, she says that he said that he doesn't love her. He's doing all of this for TV. She says that even off camera, Nhlanhla does not compliment her when she's looking nice, when she has done her hair. Like, he doesn't compliment her. He doesn't even act like umuntu that's interested in her. He will only do that once the cameras are on, you guys. And yeah, you guys, like, I'm also still at this point, I don't know what would suddenly make Nhlanhla change on Untombi, because one thing about Nhlanhla, he loved Untombi, you guys. He fought with his own family for years. He fought with his own family for years, you guys. Was willing to change on his family, was willing for his family to basically neglect him just because, or just for Untombi, you guys. So all of a sudden, for him to ajige nje esithubeni, hayi guys, akwenzi sense. Khona something, but Untombi says she is done. Quite frankly, she is done. Untombi says she's done, and that is it for her. And yeah, you guys, that was the reunion, and it's quite sad. But at the end of the day, at some point, guys, you need to start choosing yourself. Ugogo has won in a sense, and I'm sure inhliziyo yakhe ipompa idanono wherever she is, because she got whatever she always wanted. I mean, maybe she's gonna get, maybe because ubonile ukuthi uyahluleka in the flesh, asazi ke what else happened. But yeah, you guys, tell me what you think about this whole episode, this reunion, you guys, about Ugogo, Untombi, Nhlanhla. Do you think Nhlanhla's his actions, do you think they make sense or justifiable? Yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.